There are many different types of horns for trucks, and this guide will help you find the best truck horn. Train horns have long been a favorite among truck drivers because they can be heard over long distances. Trucks drive through different places. Sometimes they go in places that are crowded, and they go fast. When the truck slows down, when it is not as busy, this might be inefficient, and having a loud horn can help. When the truck slows down, there might be a delay in delivery of things that people want to get quickly. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best train horn kits. So let's get started. Number 5. MPC-B104194 Trumpet Train Air. Perfect for those looking to add a little character and joy wherever their vehicle may roam. Adding this horn system will catch the attention of all those wondering who that imposing vehicle driving by might be. MPC-B10419 for Trumpet Train Air Horn Kit is a keeper. Don't be alarmed if you hear someone screaming that's freaking awesome while passing you on the sidewalk, because we guarantee it'll happen. This MPC-B10419 Trumpet Train Air Horn Kit is so bombastically loud, you can't help but love it. From the chrome quad compact air horn that blasts out a high decibel sound to this all-in-one air system with 110 psi compressor and 3-liter air tank, it has got your noise needs sorted. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 4. Vixen Horns Train Horn Kit. With this incredibly loud train horn kit, you'll be seen and heard miles away. The quad trumpet train air horn can't be mistaken for anything else, and with the 150 psi 12V compressor included in this kit, it's like having your own personal air pump on your car. It discharges a full 15mm piezo trumpet blast before cycling back down to silent pressure release mode, so that while pedestrians might jump at first sound of the horn, they won't soon forget their lesson learned as long as you keep driving by every day. And with thermal overload protection built in, this system is sophisticated enough for even the wheeliest supercar drivers out there looking for an edge. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 3. GG Grand General 69991. The GG Grand General 69991 Chrome Heavy Duty Train Horn is a lot more than just your ordinary, basic horn. This trumpet and big brass bell of a train horn comes complete with 140 plus decibel sound that can be heard from 3 miles away. With its easy installation on any car or truck, this beauty will let you show off with the sheer volume from 70 psi to 140 psi up to 12V/24V multi-Voltega electric solenoid valve and stainless steel brackets for additional strength and durability. This true train horn comes in at 120 pounds full weight, but the vehicle doesn't have to be running when activating, a partial push down. This product is recommended for anyone who thinks their vehicle needs an upgrade. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 2. Wolo 847 Siberian Express Air Horn. The Wolo 847 will give any 12-volt truck the powerful sound of a train air horn. It has been engineered with the latest technology to produce an incredible sound that is sure to make everyone take notice when you speed past them on the highway. The heavy-duty ABS construction makes for easy installation and less vibration while driving on rough roads, so you can enjoy your time behind the wheel rather than dealing with vehicle issues. An electric valve is included, so all you need to do is plug in 3 trumpets that are painted black and have an attractive semi-gloss finish. This product looks great because it's finished with a semi-gloss black finish, making it look more like jewelry than a necessity in order to be safe on the road. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 1. GAMPRO 12V 150 dB Air Horn. If you're looking for a sound to get your attention and make sure no one misses your message, it's found in the GAMPRO 12V 150 dB Air Horn. This horn is so loud that if cars don't swerve or pull over when you throw on the siren, they'll hear this hard-hitting air horn. With its chrome-plated zinc trumpets, non-rusting, mounting hardware included, and easy installabilities, it can be used in any vehicle with a 12V battery. Great at alerting buses against reckless driving or being an offensive line for pro football teams, this isn't just an ordinary blowing machine. The bright chrome finish resists rusting, so you know you'll always have a functional air horn no matter what climate or season without worrying about corrosion ruining it for good. Plus, there's even mounting hardware included to make installation fast and easy from start to finish. Be safe on the road by adding this high-quality product to your car today. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. That was our list of the top 5 best train horn kits just for you.